Hi guys, welcome to my second video, that is party makeup look. I am gonna start by cleansing my face from Garnier Micellar Water. I'm gonna take it on a cotton pad and cleanse my face. Now for toning, I am gonna take Kama Ayurvedic Rose Water. This is one of the best rose waters. For the moisturizing part, I am going to use Biotique Morning Nectar. It hydrates your skin very well. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes because I'm gonna do my eyes first, then the base. Here I'm using Smashbox Primer. It gives you a very ultimate pro finish. Now for concealing my eyes, I am using Maybelline Eye Roll-On in the shade Ivory. This is for basically a fairer and dab it with a sponge, and you need to blend it very nicely so that your eyeshadow comes out very good. Now I'm using setting powder from Huda Beauty in the shade Banana Bread. It is one of the best setting powders that I've ever used. Now for the eyeshadow part, I will start by using NYX Bright Palette. It has got wonderful color and great pigmentation. I'm gonna take it on a blending brush and start it by blending around my eyes. And I'm gonna blend my other eye also. You should consider that the blending should be done very nicely. Now to give a smoky look, I am gonna use brown eyeshadow from my Urban Decay palette. I'm gonna be mixing two eyeshadows, a brown and a dark, because I am going to try a summer look. Black gives you a better look in winters. Otherwise, it's your choice to use black or brown. Now I'm gonna give a cut crease look by using a concealer, and I am here using Smashbox concealer. I will give you the details later of it because I'm gonna use it on my face also. Now I'm gonna give a nice crease and so that it comes out clean. Now to give it a matte effect, I am using a lighter shade of eyeshadow of what I have used of concealer. Basically it highlights my eyes and make them a little pop out. Now I'm gonna use a L'Oreal eyeliner. This is one of the best eyeliners you can have in very cheap prices. Now I'm gonna be trying a winged eyeliner as it will go very nice with my look because I'm gonna glitter it out later also. As you can see, it takes a lot to have a winged eyeliner. So I am here going to show you how to create a winged eyeliner properly. Now I am going to start from inner corner of the eye to the outer corner and give it a nice wing. So this is how it works. Now I have completed my first eye and I am just gonna put a glitter eyeliner on my second eye. Now you can see I have done the same thing, but now I have started from the outer corner, then doing precisely the inner corner. For the brows, I am using Brow Zings from Benefit Cosmetics. I'll be starting with my face now, and for my face I am using the same primer that I used earlier for my eye base. This is from Smashbox and it covers all your pores. This is great in summers and as well as in winters when your skin breaks out. It's the time for foundation now. It's very important to have a good foundation, and in this I am using Smashbox foundation in the shade 1.15. It's for the fair skin tone. You can use according to your face and it gives you a very nice coverage. As you can see, I am again dabbing it with a sponge, which is a damp sponge. Now I'll be taking some of it on my fingers and I'll be applying under eye and on the areas which needs more coverage. You just need a very little and it will give you a full coverage. But main key is blending. Blending is the process which requires a lot of patience, I know, but yes, blending will give you a flawless look. Now after blending, I'll be using the same concealer that I used earlier during my eye makeup. This concealer, as I told you, is a drugstore product and it is great for highlighting your higher points of the face like bridge of your nose, cheekbones and etc. But again, it will make you look flawless until you'll blend it nicely. So you need to be a lot patient while doing this kind of makeup. Now for setting it, I'll be using Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Banana Bread. This is amazing powder that can set anything right on your face. Yeah, so and now is the time for the magic, contouring. That is basically most favorite part of most of the people, but unlike me, I like highlighting more. So for the contouring, I have taken Hoola from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade Cocoa. This is an amazing, highly pigmented contouring powder that makes your face look slim and contoured. Now I'll be taking a brush and removing all the extra product that has been on my face and making it cut and clear for the blush. I'll be using Makeup Studio blush as it gives you a very natural and glowy look. For my highlighter, I'll be using Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Gold. It's a bomb highlighter in a drugstore product. It gives you a very natural glow, makes you look flawless. Now for the under eye, I'll be using Color Bar eye pencil in the shade Purple. I'll be applying to both of my waterlines and it will give me a pop-out look as purple looks really nice with this contrast. I'll be further making it bold and smudge it with a purple eyeshadow from the NYX Bright palette that I used earlier. I have used fake eyelashes on my upper lid from Kingdom of Lashes and I'll be using L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara for my lower lids. Now for the finishing touch-ups, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner of the eyes and the eyebrow bone and all the higher points of my face. Now for completing the look, I am using Kylie lipstick in the shade Candy Cane. This is one of the best lipstick I have used as it is a very bubblegum kind of a color and gives you a very bubbly look. Now for completing it, I'll be using Faces Canada lipstick in the shade Tease. It will give you a pro and highly matte look. And for the final thing, I have used MAC Prep and Prime for setting my makeup, and here is my full look. I hope you love my look and please follow my page and subscribe to my channel for more amazing looks like this. Thank you and see you again.